how to create Raket.PH account for selling digital products. So today I'm gonna show you a quick and simple way how to do it. It's as easy as creating your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Shopee, YouTube. So you just have to connect your favorite email address. So first things first, you type in Raket.PH, click on the login /join, click on sign up. Then what I usually do is connect my Gmail. So I'll be logging in to my Gmail account like that. So once I'm already logged in, I can just click on the first option, the login with Google. So yeah, that's my favorite thing to do every time I join any platform. So other way would be click on sign up and then connect any of your email addresses. Or it can be Yahoo, iCloud, Hotmail, or your LinkedIn accounts. Yeah, you just have to type it in on that section. And then once you're there, since I already have mine, if you want to go, I just wanted to quickly show you the Racketeer dashboard. So you can just browse, explore the website. So on this area, it's the About page. You can upload your cover photo, you can just, customize everything. Or your first name, last name, the country, region, city, your headline, any tagline you want to do right in there, and then a little bit about you on the About section box right there. And then once you're done, you can just click on Save Changes. And then now we go to adding digital products. So you go to the dashboard again, click on My Raket Ship, and then click products and then add new product. And then click on digital downloads. I don't know about physical goods yet. And then click continue. They have different templates, but I just click on start from scratch, and then I populated all the information right there, the product name, description, and then you have the images down. I will be changing the images that I have uploaded because it doesn't fit the item cover photo, but you'll see later. I'll show you a very quick way to do so on Canva. So I'm just putting in a slant bouncy on the description, and then download the PDF from your computer down below. So that's the images that I'm going to be changing, and that's the file, the digital file, and then set the price, and then save and publish. So yeah, that's the I can create a new video on how I did that one, but I'll just speed up the video so you can just see it very quickly. I just uploaded the sample pages from the workbook, and then edit some text, like the title, about the product title, and then uploaded it back to Raket.PH. So you can customize it whichever you like. You can change the background, the fonts, font style, size, and all that. And then save and publish, and then you're done. And very simple. And then you just have to keep adding products. And then I have added 4 more, so I have a total of 6. So if you click on the link above, this is how my shop, my Raket.PH shop looks like. You can see the products, the About Me section, the recommendation at the bottom of the page. So yeah, I hope this helps and thank you for watching.